You say it's hard to tell just what I'm thinking. You think it's hard to see behind my smile.
Hello everyone, welcome to All About My Parrots video for this week. Here is Starlight. She likes to play fetch with her toy ball and flick it in the air and chase it. It is absolutely hilarious. She is the most positive, joyful, happy little parrot to be around. I'm just so pleased to have her in my life. I hope she does the same for you and puts a smile on your face, makes your day. In this video, I have recorded my male Alexa and Tiki boo. It's been a while since I've heard him say anything. He was a bit stressed for a while after we moved house. He seems to have settled quite a fair bit now. He's really coming out of his shell. He's a gorgeous boy. He's always there for me when I'm anxious. He's just great support. If you want a bird like this, contact Steve's Rainforest Avery on the Sunshine Coast, Queensland, Brisbane Sky. He's got the most beautiful birds. I know this has nothing to do with All About My Parrots, but I just had to share this beautiful video with you of a cockatoo that we had in the gum tree yesterday afternoon. I think he is absolutely stunning. They're just gorgeous birds, cockatoos. Guys, I'm just about to take my bird's veggie chop for this afternoon. Always try and keep vegetables and fruit in your parrot's diet because it's very, very good for them. Hi everyone, in this video I have just taken my bird's vegetable chop into the aviary. As you can see, this is their tray. I give them a handful of seed in the morning and I feed them vegetables in the afternoon. It's very good for their feather health, good for their digestive system, and also all round it's just really healthy for them. They look forward to it and they just enjoy getting the chop of the afternoon. It's just something that I love to do because I love my birds and I want them to have the best of everything. This is my Rosella, Eastern Rosella, Cece. She is really quite nervous around people. She's not tame at all. And here is Kipsy just enjoying some corn kernels. He loves his chop, it's his fave. And here we are back with my lorikeet. She was hilarious at this time. She was leaping in the air, chasing the ball. If you throw it for her, she chases it, and she just is a barrel of laughs, honestly. I've never owned a bird like this before. She is just the funniest little thing that I've ever experienced. I've never owned a rainbow lorikeet before, but for the first time ever, I just get complete joy out of her. She just is so funny. I hope that she makes you laugh just as much as she makes me laugh. In this video, Tiki is trying to have a go with the toy ball. As you can see here, Skyler boy is trying to pinch it off Tiki. He just can't seem to get 2 minutes peace from Skyler. In this video, Starlight is chewing a cling wrap roll. We just cut it up into little circles for our parrots. It's free and it's easy to make, and it costs nothing, and it keeps our birds entertained for a very long period of time. As we reach the end of the video, here's Starlight enjoying the big birds play area. And this is the brilliant perch that my husband created for me. Isn't it great? That's it for this week, guys. See you all next week. Please like and share with your friends and family.